Ball control to, Iasang Recreo. Shot clock 10. Shot clock 7. Revista for 3. Bouncing out. Soklan is spin using the glass. No good. Follow up by Soklan. Basket 2 points. Easy 2 points by Linao. Dylan for 3, air ball, Soklan. One dribble in attack, and now Igunya to Araiza. Araiza on the run. Lost ball pass and turnover. Sub. Players, ang ano ko muna yung players. Players, ang bench ka muna na yung players. Players, bench ka muna na yung... Players, bench ka mo. Double unsportsmanlike foul from Recreo jersey number 9, Elegison, and jersey number 25 from Antipolo, Araiza. Unsportsmanlike foul. And rest ka mo na 3 minutes before ka mo makasab. Revista. Soklan, back to Revista to Soklan. Long to short, rebound Soklan to Soklan. Spin, shot clock 12. 3 seconds violation, Patigo. Virabe. Aswilo. 10 shot clock. Tolina. Easy 2 points. Soklan. Still. Lago. Easy 2 points. Patingo. Attacking on the lane, he lost the ball. Still by Lago on the run. Finding a way. Time out! Barangay Recreo. Time 5 minutes 32 seconds on the third quarter. Score 46-42. Apat na lang aban sa isang Barangay Recreo. Five minutes, 32 seconds. 5 minutes, 32 seconds. To Soklan. Soklan, drop pass to Ruiz, using the glass. Easy to points. Birabe. Running shot, hands on the air. Encila trying to save the ball. To Lago, short. Rebound, Revista. Deflected. Still by Lago. To Asuelo, he fake. One dribble, looking around. 3 seconds violation. Ilya Correa. To Revista. To Pasigado for 3. Short. Asuelo. Dribbling on the run. Finishing on the left. Got it! Ruiz for 3. No! Traveling violation by Asuelo. Ilya Correa, finding by Ruiz. Foul. Jersey number 1, Asuelo, second personal foul. Encila. To Asuelo. In and out. Encila. No good. Shot clock 7 for 3. No good. Open shot. In and out. Rebound Soklan. To Pasigado. There's a whistle foul. Jersey number 8, Lago. Penalty. Second personal foul, Lago. 3 minutes 29. 3 minutes 29 seconds. Sub. Still by Elia Correa. To Pasigado. To Elia Correa. 3 seconds violation. Long two. 3 points by Lago. Foul, jersey number 22, blocking foul. Linaw. Second personal foul, penalty. 2 minutes 49. 2 minutes 49. Asuelo. Last touch by Asuelo. Revista to Elia Correa to Pasigado. Attacking on the lane. Basket of points. Encila, still by Elia Correa, touchdown is timeout! Barangay Antipolo! Still by Elia Correa. Attacking Encila. Denied by Encila. Traveling violation. Revista. Lago. Coraisa. Still by Elia Correa and touchdown. Easy to points. Pass break pass to Revista. Stop in the net. Basket of points. Araisa. Stop and back. No. Foul. Jersey number 73. Ruiz. Second personal foul, sub. Sub. Ruiz hanging in the air, so strong. Soklan is there to the football. Asuelo dribble the ball. Running shot and an out. Soklan dribbling. Soklan finding by Revista. Easy the points. Asuelo free for three. No. Foul. Jersey number 73. Sub. Third personal foul, Ruiz, third. Lago for three. Almost. Sub. Penalty na, rep, penalty na. Foul, Elia Correa. First personal foul, first. 34 seconds remaining time, 34. Thirty-4 seconds. 30 seconds. Soklan layup, no. 25. Lago short. 15. 13 seconds, 13. 13 seconds, 13. 10. Soklan. 5. 3. Basket 2 points. And on the third quarter score, 62-54 in favor of Recreo. Back on the court now on the fourth in the final quarter game between Antipolo and Recreo. 4-3. Yes, sir! Pasigado to Morata. Response, no. To Asuilo. Finding a way! Basket of points! Back to Elia Correa. To Pasigado. To Revista. Short rebound. Morata. Tenno. Underneath. Soklan is there to the bot back. Flyby. No. Berabe. Foul. Jersey number 21, sub. Second personal foul, Elia Correa. Score 64-60. 4-point lead to Revista. So strong. Rowes in and out. Post the ball. Igonya to Berabe. Igonya. Tulago short. Second opportunity. Basket of points. Score 64-62. 2-point lead by Recreo. Soklan. To Revista. Foul. Jersey number 7. Third personal foul, Igonya. Eight minutes and 8 seconds on the fourth quarter. Soklan attacking on the lane. No. Rebound. Lean out to Lago. Easy na boy. Time out. Barangay Recreo. Score 64 all on the first deadlock all the ball game. Attention everyone, this coming April 20, Monday, may exhibition game day between ang aton nga team Pontevedra versus Team Pilipinas. Buwas alas 6 sang gabi. May exhibition game day under 17. Under 17. Team Pontevedra versus Team Pilipinas. Short. Lago. Pass to Igonya. Goes to Berabe for three. No. For the lead. So strong. Elia Correa now on the rebound. Dribbling on the run. Elia Correa running shot. No. Second opportunity almost. Ruiz. One dribble. Pull up jumper. No. Jump ball, privilege arrow in favor of Barangay Recreo. Ilagison. Suklan! Huli ka! Ni Asuelo. Berabe denied by Ilagison. Technical, jersey number 1, Asuelo for taunting. One throw. From Recreo, 1 throw for technical. Next game, 30 under category. Between Barangay MH Del Pilar versus Barangay San Juan. Time 7 minutes and 10 seconds. 7 minutes and 10 seconds. Asuelo to Lago. Linaw, quick attempt, in and out. Suklan on the rebound to Elia Correa. And touchdown, no good. Pasigado. Traveling violation. Technical, coach sang Barangay Antipolo continues complaining. Still Asuelo. Black. Lago for 3. In and out. Suklan on the rebound. Suklan dribbling on the run. Deflected. Elagayson. Quick attempt short. Elia Correa pick up the ball and dribble the ball. Shot block 10. Pasigado for 3. No. Asuelo. Finding a way almost. To Suklan. Here comes Suklan. Time out. Time out. Antipolo. Nagalubong sa ring. Time 6 minutes and 5 seconds. Antipolo, amo na ng inyong last nga time out. Wala na kamo time out, Antipolo. Time 6 minutes and 5 seconds. 6 minutes and 5 seconds remaining time. Lago, he spin. Basket, the points. Score 67-66. 1 point lead by Recreo. And 2 points, Ilaguison. Berabe. Looking around. Lina for 3. No. Encila attacking the defense. No. Soklan on the rebound. Pass to Ilaguison. To Elia Correa. 3-on-1. He lost the dribble foul. Jersey number 21. Elia Correa, third personal foul. Sub. 5 minutes 15 seconds. Still by Pasigado. Easy 2 points. Asuilo. On the run. Finding by Linao. No! Blocked by Soklan. Sub. Shot clock 12. Out of bounds. Pasigado to Ilaguison for 3. No. Soklan. Shot clock 14. Ruiz. Airball. Still Soklan. Easy to points. Lago for 3. No. Ilaguison for 3. Yes! 4 minutes and 10. Foul. Jersey number 73, Ruiz. Fourth personal foul. Fourth. Sub. Three points. Score 76-69. Black using the glass now. Soklan. Connect for the points. Two points. Traveling violation. Fourteen shot clock. 14 shot clock. 2 points by Lago. Soklan, penetrate, basket, 2 points. Foul and counted. Jersey number 22, foul sub. Third personal foul, Linaw. 2 minutes and 50. 2 minutes and 50. Foul. Jersey number 2 sub. First personal foul, Pasigado. Two minutes 37. Birabi for 3, short. Ruiz. Torvista, easy 2 points. Lago layup, no. Lago bouncing out. Pasigado, Torvista finding away, so strong. Pasigado gets the bounce. Last 2 minutes. One minute and 35. 14 shot clock. 10 shot clock. 3 seconds violation. 1 minute 27. 1 minute 27. Sub. Sub. Time out, Recreo. Easy the points. Ilagiso. 59 segundos. Back to back.